Hey, what's up, guys? This is Sampath. Today, I'm going to show you how to scrap targeted Instagram emails from Google. This video is going to be very interesting, very simple, and very easy, guys. And you will definitely like this video and very easy process. So first, go to Google Chrome extensions. Install this Chrome extension called Data Scrapper Easy Web Scrap. Once you install this Chrome extension, you can have a chance to see icon like this. So this is a data miner Chrome extension, guys. So just go to first select your targeted niche. What is your targeted niche? Is fashion, travel, food, or any jewelry, like whatever your targeted niche is. First go to Google and first type here your niche. Suppose if you are targeting fashion, just type here fashion, or anything, whatever your niche is, just type that. Then after, just type your location. For example, UK, USA, something, India. So for example, I'm just typing here London. My suppose I need some fashion bloggers who are located in London. So then after, simply type email. Then after, just type site instagram.com. So see what will happen if we give site instagram.com. So Google will show us only Instagram related search results. See, just click enter. So once we click that, here we can have a chance to see lot of targeted search results. See, targeted search results, and all are our targeted niche only. See, one here in first page we are able to see only few emails, guys. Next, I can show you how to scrap hundreds of emails. See, what we need to do is we install this Chrome extension, right? And one more thing is, once you enter like this, just go to search settings here. If you are serious, go to search settings. So make sure here select here up to 100 results per page, select here up to 100 and click save. So if you can select up to 100, then only we can have a chance to see many results here. Otherwise we can have a chance to see only 10 results. Okay, now we are going to do, what we do is, all the here emails are there, right? We are going to grab that emails and names and all. See, we install this Chrome extension, right? Data miner, just click once, click that Chrome extension. Once you click that, then after, go to public, and go to public. Then after, here little bit scroll down. Here, if you see here Google X-ray LinkedIn 2018, right? Then just simply click run. Just simply click run. So once we click run, what will happen is, this Chrome extension will grab all the data, whatever is we are able to see on that page. See, see here all the data. Here, first name, last name, email, profile URL, say industry, whatever the industry is. This is really cool, guys. So we can have a chance to just download this Chrome extension also. Just download CSV file. Now we can open. See, once we open, then after we can have a chance to see like this. See, first name, last name, email ID, and profile URL here, and the summary about that blog, summary about that Instagram profile. See, all the targeted emails, guys, in just one click. We got all the information, guys. How cool is this? Now again, just go here after email, then simply just give some space and just type here Gmail. Just type Gmail and click enter. So once you click enter, again we can have a chance to see a lot of results here. See, lot of results. Again, see our targeted profiles and targeted place and targeted emails. Again, just go to that Chrome extension and just simply click same like that. See, simply go to public, and just again here, so this one, just click run. Just click run. Once we click that, again we can have a chance to see some profiles, guys. See, again some profiles. So just be check, maybe a few profiles are like relevant profiles. See, again same profile, just download and click CSV. Again, see, again we can have a chance to see here some emails. So same like that, guys. If we do same like that, then we can have a chance to grab a lot of email IDs. See, then after here, see, go to second page and do same like that. And after Google, right, after this process, then after here Gmail, right, so change here such term called rediff. For example, rediff. So with this process, we can have a chance to grab so many email IDs. open. Maybe Rediff have there is no emails. So then after Yahoo or Hotmail, just try with Yahoo or Hotmail. So we can have a chance to see maybe some results. With we are doing like this, so we can have a chance to change continuously change such terms. See, there are few profiles, guys. So if you can change here such term call, for example, UK, then maybe we can have a chance to see some results. Okay, so here I missed a site. So that's why this is not showing here. Maybe Hotmails have no much emails. So, for example, here I will search like Gmail. Gmail, UK, right? I selected whole UK. See, now I can have a chance to see a lot of results. See, same like this, guys, same process. Go to this Chrome extension and click that. Then we can have a chance to grab like emails like this. See, we can have a chance to see like this name, profile, email, all and all. See, first from first profile, we are seeing only few emails, but here we are able to see a lot of emails here. So this is it, guys. So through this process, we can have a chance to grab so many emails, guys. So many emails. So hope this video will helpful to you guys. So if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe, and please share if possible. And if you need any data requirement like local listings or like any data like LinkedIn scrapping, I will do LinkedIn scrapping also. I will give you targeted companies emails also. Like if you have a list of companies, I will give you that company's details like decision makers or company employees details. Or if you are looking for local leads also, I will give you the local leads. Or if you have any requirement related to this data related, so you can contact me. I'm mentioning my contact details in the description, guys. I will give you high profiles and high targeted data. So thank you very much, guys. So uh, thank you, thank you all.